are listening to DJ Kwame, the White
Marketing Committee of the All Progressive Congress Edo State Chapter. On behalf of our party, we say welcome to our party. Today, the life of our celebrating his 55th birthday today. Emperor Jared Tenebe, chief of the party of the government of this state. Speaking. Today, Edo State has become a construction site of sorts. Tenebe, chairman. Your Excellencies, it's actually not a speech making.
Our leader, our father, my mentor, my idol, Senator Adams Aliyu Shomole. Members of Edo State House of Assembly, members of State Working Committee, AJ chairman, party leaders that are present here today. My Excellency, the Governor of Edo State, this was an impromptu arrangement to appreciate you on your birthday. If you can remember, any opportunity I had, I will always say that there has not been governance for the past 8 years in Edo State, and that you are going to take over from where Comrade Adams Aliyu Shomole stopped. And today, this get-together is significant because we had a governor for 8 years after Comrade Adams Aliyu Shomole. The only this party, although I was party then, the only time this party felt governor was when Comrade Adams Aliyu Shomole was the governor. Today is significant. After his 8 years and another 8 years of drought, the party again is feeling the handshake that Comrade Adams Aliyu Shomole gave to them for 8 years, and again now. That was what yesterday he formed members of State Working Committee to put this together as a surprise to you, to appreciate what you are doing Edo State presently. To appreciate you for keeping to the promise you made Edo State people when we were doing campaigns. It is now clear to the blind or to the deaf that Edo State is moving again after 8 years of that evil government. My Excellency, we want to appreciate you. We want to pray for you, for God to give you the courage, the strength, and the wisdom to carry on in Edo State. United, all the leaders, all the youths, women, for once again working together. The last election that just passed, only the one that was done in the federal constituency, it proves to the fact that in your time, Edo State again is united. We believe that is worth celebrating. We believe that your birthday mark that bringing together of everybody to us. It was supposed to be a surprise to you and even to our leader. But you know that our leader's ears are everywhere. As of this morning, when I got to his place, we were trying to suggest to expand it. But it was already too late to have expanded the something. That's the reason why we are here to celebrate you. I want to, on behalf of APC in Edo State, wish you happy birthday, and may the good Lord bless your new age. Thank you, and God bless you. Happy birthday.
To celebrate 55th birthday is a milestone in the life of any human being. You have people already crossed the much talked about life expectancy of 50. Even more remarkable is that this young boy at 55 is the governor of the heartbeat of Nigeria, the governor of Edo State. But being governor is important, but even more important, as Jared said and others who have spoken, is the mark you have made this past 9 months. As they say, the money shows the day. So you have every reason to celebrate. And if we were not to do it, then we are not thanking God. If the unemployed is celebrating, and if elderly people are celebrating, why should the young man who God has blessed and who is blessing all of us, blessing the young people with school, furnitures, paying, ensuring that the is by all the universities being revamped and so on, all of the things that you are doing and you have done within 9 months that has rekindled hope across the length and breadth of Edo State. If we don't celebrate, what we won't celebrate. So Jared, I think it was a great initiative to say if the governor doesn't want to celebrate, we must celebrate. And, like you said, maybe the hall could have been bigger, but it is not about the size of the hall, it's about the spirit behind the idea. That even though our governor is a low-profile governor, he doesn't want, all the things that people like him will do elsewhere. We'll have even for Mali, we can ask him to come back and play. But our governor is quiet, unassuming, but don't misjudge him. Don't misjudge him. So, millions of Nigerians, and in particular millions of of course, APC, to celebrate as done in your life. You 55 years, and I like to hope, and I'm putting in the petition, I'm sure before I get home, the reply come, that when you are doing 110, which is exactly 55 years from now, I want to be there. I want to be there. If you don't want to be there, it's up to you. Because our president has taught us something. There is power in the tongue. I want to be. If you are in a hurry to go, I will not join you. So, Governor, Monday, I congratulate you on behalf of myself, my family, and people. You've done so well. And even your choice of color today shows the purity of your heart. Yes. I see a lot of people who I have not seen for a long time, or we saw only during the election and so. Last comment. By-elections are mini verdict. It's like a referendum on someone's performance. In 9 months, Edo people conducted the referendum in Edo Central, the whole of Edo Central, which has been the most difficult part of Edo State as far as APC is concerned. And when I saw the result of 105,000 against 15,000, I called Jared. I said, Jared, we only wanted to defeat these guys. We didn't say you should kill them. Because this is no longer just about defeat now. 15,000 over 105,000. That is a remarkable verdict on your stewardship. And then in Obia, where you have a both, Obia is perhaps one of the most complex local government in terms of even dialects. Again, I saw about 77,000 against 3,000. I said, we only wanted to defeat those of you who made it to look like what this now. So, no regrets. We might do it even better next time. But what it means to me is that across the land, the people have a firm confidence. I think just a few days or a few weeks before we turn 55. So, as I once said, why we no go do Nyaga? If your daughter is dancing well, Mama must do Nyaga. If your son is behaving and doing well in class, you must do Nyaga. The one where they work out, I said, no get leg. One can be crying. We are celebrating. May God grant you good health, even greater wisdom, greater guidance to give you ideas, day by day, minute by minute, on what you must continue to do. Because, as they say, the reward for hard work is more work.
May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you, Governor. May the good Lord bless you. Hip, hip, hip! I can't hear. Hip, hip, hip! Father.